In this video, we talk about how to have mixed right to left and left to right support in Obsidian. So first of all, let's create a note, or let's say a page in this folder. So I right click on it and press new note. And you can see this is a new note. And for example, let's name it RTL text. That's it. And then I should click on settings and then go to community plugins. So if you read this, it says that there might be some potential security issues with some plugins. But in my opinion, if you install the well-known and famous plugins, that would be not very serious. But it's your choice. If you don't want to turn on community plugins, then that's your choice. But I want to turn on community plugins. So I click on it and then I click on browse in order to browse community plugins. And then here I simply type RTL, and you can see the first one is dynamic RTL. So I click on it and I press install, and you can see it is installing the plugin. And you can see that it has successfully installed the plugin, and now I want to enable it. So I click on this and you can see the plugin has been enabled. And also we want to install another plugin. So I click on this. And you can see this is RTL support plugin. And by the way, you can see that these numbers are the number of downloads of each of these plugins. So the second step is installing this plugin, RTL support. So I click on it and I click install, and you can see it is installing the plugin, and you can see it has been installed. So I click on enable. That's it. So we have installed both of those plugins. So I click on this, and once again I click on this. So now let's test it. So I type a dash and a space, and you can see it has been converted to a bullet. And for example, this is an English text. That's it. And I press enter. And now I want to type something, for example, in Arabic. So that's it. And you can see it automatically recognized that this was something which is a right to left language. So it has made that right to left. That's it. And let's type another thing. There you go. And also we can mix these things together in one line. So that's it. Now you can continue and watch the next tutorial of this playlist by clicking on the video, which is on the left side of the screen.